worst danger of driving in heavy rain is hydroplaning. Now, hydroplaning is what happens when your car loses traction due to a large buildup of water under the tires. Usually your tire treads can channel their way through the water in front of them and keep in contact with the surface of the road. When the road is too wet and you're going too fast, your car can actually begin to float on top of the water and the tire tread loses contact with the road. When your tread loses contact with the road surface, you can no longer steer, you can no longer brake. This is what happens when you hydroplane. And you often don't even know that you're hydroplaning until you hit the brakes and the car goes skidding out of control. Therefore, it's better not to travel at hydroplane speed to begin with, which can actually happen as slow as 35 miles per hour. So what do you do when you realize that you're hydroplaning? Don't hit the brakes, okay? Because that just makes it a whole lot worse. Let up on the accelerator so that any remaining traction that you have can slow your speed down a little bit, and drive straight. Don't try to turn. If the car is veering off in a direction you don't want it to go, don't fight it. Just follow your wheels and take it easy. And as the car slows down, you'll get back under control.